G'day trendsetters, we're back here with another 3-minute Monday, and today I'm putting the final layer or level on my bagged potatoes. I planted these very close to the end of autumn, beginning winter, so they've had 2 months and a bit in the bags. I started off planting them in the bottom third, and then I added a layer about a month ago, and about 2 weeks ago I topped them up again, and today I need to put the last layer on. So these were the Desiree tomatoes, and I'm super happy with how these look. I actually forgot about these. We had a frost maybe 5 weeks ago, a really good frost, and I forgot all about them. I covered my potatoes up the back, and my wife rang me and said, "You didn't cover your potatoes." I said, "Yeah, I did." And then it dawned on me. But this one here got nipped. You can see, you probably won't be able to see, but just the ends of the leaves are just a little bit deformed. So I got away with it. The one back there, the second bag, it didn't get touched at all. So I was very lucky there with the frost. And we haven't had any frost since. But these, they're just powering along nicely. In here I've got a 50-50 mix of homemade compost and a good quality potting mix, and it's just really is just a simple matter of topping it right up to the top. I think I've probably got at least another 6-8 weeks of growing. The idea, behind this of continually filling the bag is that along the stem, the main stem of the potato, the bush, potatoes are supposed to form. So not only do you get the potatoes right down the bottom, you get potatoes forming and growing up the stem. So we'll find out. My first potato bag wasn't all that good, but it was in the middle of summer and I was a bit afraid to water them in case they went rotten in the bag, but these guys have just behaved themselves. I think I put 4 potato tubers in each bag, so 4, maybe 5. But I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got 6 stems here. But that's about it. I'll finish this off and the other bag off. So that's your 3-minute Monday. If you like this or found it interesting in any way, please subscribe, like the video, share, and with a bit of luck I'll see you back here either for another video or for another 3-minute Monday next Monday. Cheers, thanks for watching.